California Days here. We're here at the yard, Salmon Express yard. We got the mobile taco truck. ¿Cómo se llama?
Jose.
Jose is cooking some tacos up. I'm gonna get 4 tacos.
$1. $1.
Oh, sí. I'm gonna get 4 tacos, 2 barbacoa, 2 asada, and then dorado, jalapeno onion dorado. Órale pues. Hola. ¿Cómo se llama? Jose. Jose.
Yeah.
Jose Jr.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm getting a deal, 4 tacos for 10, but they're $3 each. On the side.
Okay.
Oh yeah, onion. Yeah, see, no, on the side.
Okay.
Yeah, on the side. Got the mobile truck here. Takes Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, smart man. This is 5th location. Over here, got mango, lemon, salsa, onion, cilantro. Got everything, man. Todo. So, 2 barbacoa, 2 asada. Órale pues. No rice beans?
No.
Just tacos, huh? Easy money. Yeah, so I'm gonna grub down some tacos. Oh, thank you.
Oh, uno? No.
On the uno más plate, yeah. Woo-wee. Then I'm gonna get some jalapeno onion dorado. 2 jalapenos, 2? Yeah, 2. Muchas gracias. Let me put this down. Oh, yeah, I sit and enjoy, yes. Oh man, feast. Ah, I'm be gordo. This is nice. I like it. It slides out. Look how this little thing slides out here. Nice. What's the name of the company?
No, I don't know.
¿Cómo se llama business?
No, I don't know.
No, just
Pepe tacos.
fucking taco truck.
No, but Pepe tacos.
What's your phone number? Right here?
No, this is my son.
Your son?
Yeah.
But they can call your son and go, hey, come here.
Yeah.
So there's the number, Salvador. You can call this number right here and get this mobile van. It's here in Fresno, California. Only Fresno?
Yeah.
No más?
No, yeah.
Clovis? Clovis? Yeah, Clovis. Okay, he's in Clovis. And Fresno area. We're off California Street, right off Jensen, close to the 99. So there you go, folks. I put it on YouTube for you.
Okay.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. Anybody in California in the Central Valley, call them up. Hey, ayúdame, comida. Ayúdame, my goro. You got a nice setup. Like I said, barbacoa. Any sauce? No sauce? Only sauce? Okay. All right, well, I'm going to grub down and then pay the man his money.
This is a spicy.
Which one?
This.
Spicy one?
Red. Medium red.
Yeah.
Medium red.
Medium?
Medium.
Oh.
This.
Yeah, no, I need caliente.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah.
No.
What's this right here? The juice?
Juice mix.
Oh, you juice. Don't touch it. It's you juice. How much for the mango? How much?
$8.
$8 for the cut up mango.
Yeah.
Got fresh mango too right here. I'm gonna do a walk around real quick of the van.
Okay.
Show the van real quick. So it's all blacked out. He's all stocked up, got his gas. Tamales? Right there, no tamales? Oh, cookie, okay. Got a fan right there. Look at that's smart right there, putting the board. So the air conditioning better right here. Yeah. I'm gonna do that to my van. I have a van for sale. You wanna see? I have a van for sale right here. Good Dodge. Cool little gig. They never go hungry. Oh, it's meat, more meat. Okay, I need to eat my food before it gets cold. All right, while they're putting the refrigerator in my truck. Okay, amigos, adios. Oi.